Hey everybody, this is Robert, aka The Tall Man. Look, this is the very first video we ever shot. We thought we lost the footage, but we found it, so please be gentle. All right, we are going to review the Solitude 380FL from Grand Design. So as always, let's start at the front. Is where you're going to find your propane, 30-pound tanks. You see your level up system, 6-point level up system, so automatic leveling. All right, here's one side of your storage. That's also where your central vac is. It's all carpeted. Your battery disconnect. All right, you can see the framing up above. It looks like 3-inch framing, maybe 4-inch aluminum framing. It's great. Slam latch. All right, you got your step above step. This has frameless windows. Now there's 2 awnings here on the side, which cover basically the entire unit. Okay, the front's on a Schwintek slide. This here is, I believe, rack and pinion. Yep. Now you've got the CRE 3000 MORryde advanced suspension, which is great, upgraded suspension. Now look at this back. Look at all the storage back here. This whole area inside is lifted, so it provides you complete pass-through storage. So tons of storage space. There's a ladder, permanently mounted. Get to the top, so you can do any service that needs to be. It's pre-wired for if you're on backup camera. It does have a roll-out tray for this back storage, so you can get to everything that's underneath, which is great. It does have a hitch on there. I'm assuming it would be more like an accessory hitch. You would want to be telling. All right. Over here, there is your connection for your sewer, or is that a storage tube? Nope, that is your connection for your sewer. And the other side, tires. Connection for your 50 amp. Here's your wet bay. This is where all your connections are for your water, a little shower, your cable, and there's some power in there. And here is your control system for the level up. And that is your other 30-pound tank. Here are the numbers for this. It does have the MORryde upgraded pin box. That's real neat. And up front, your storage areas for your batteries, as well as a generator if you want to put an onboard generator. Not just storage. So let's go inside. So first things first, you come right into the kitchen. And here is your control panel. This is for all your slides, your awnings, your hot water heater, lights, and things like that. If you're going to have a generator on there, it's pre-wired for your generator control. Okay? And that sits right above, call this kind of the coffee bar area, right? This is where you put your coffee machine. If you don't, it's actually got hookups for cable or satellite, so you can put a TV there if you want, but I think we would put our coffee machine there and toaster, stuff like that, right? Over here, beautiful island. What's nice is the sink is shifted to one side, so it leaves this whole other side for doing prep work. Nice residential sink and faucet. It is not 60-40, it's actually kind of 50-50. So you get a left and a right, right? You either get whole, you get 70-30, or you get 50-50. This one's 50-50. All right, underneath again, there's storage. Drawers here, and some drawers there. Oh, look at that, under kennel ice. Isn't that cool? All right, beautiful food pantry over here. So if you want to store some food, look at that. You can hoard all you want in here. All right, pull out drawers, which is great. This right here would be storage. You can put these in here, which is great. You just slide those on the side and they're out of the way. But it does have the Insignia residential stove, 4-burner, full oven, and then your Insignia convection oven up top, as well as the Samsung residential refrigerator. Okay, and we're gonna come up and show you one of my favorite parts, which is the front living space. We have seen a lot of fifth wheels this weekend that are front living room. It's our favorite design. It allows Very comfortable living, especially we're full-timers and you can entertain, right? We want 2 unique sleeping areas with regular size mattresses, not little bunk mattresses that are this thin, regular mattresses. After it's purchased, having this area converted into a Murphy bed. And there's enough space in there to convert that, which would give us 2 unique sleeping areas. And then this one would also fold out to be a regular one for short-term sleeping. Anyway, that TV is on a televator, so there's a window behind it. And you got a nice, beautiful fireplace, right? There's some speakers and stuff up there as well, and lots of storage. Does have a whisper quiet AC system, I believe. Now to the back. But first, before we go to the back, what do we have behind this door?
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
Okay, again, as most half baths go, it is tight, but I actually fit. Many of the ones that we've seen, I don't even fit in there, but this one I fit. Not even in an emergency. This one's pretty comfortable. There's enough room width-wise as well. Not bad at all. Okay, now in here you also have nice medicine chest. There's some storage underneath. And there's this nice max air fan up top, and the controls for it are down here, so you don't have to reach up there for it, so which is kind of nice. Put that up there. You see that max air fan? There's the controls for it. All right, so let's go check out the bedroom. On our way to the bedroom, you do have some storage closets here. It's got a hanging rod, so you can hang some clothes in there. You can hang some clothes up in there. Nice solid doors. And that is a king size bed. It does have some little nightstands that are above there. I'm always worried about hitting my head on that, but there's a little bit of room. Now I'm sure there's a queen option for this if you didn't want the king, so that would actually give you a little bit more room around the bed. So when you're sitting on the bed, here's your TV, your entertainment area. All right, nice dresser here. And again, we've got hanging room in there, hanging room in here, and then some more storage down here. So plenty of storage in this RV. And back to the bathroom. So this is the washer dryer area. All right, if you don't want to use it as a washer and dryer, it's got a hanging rod in there, but we would put our washer and dryer in there. Double sinks, again, tons of storage in this bathroom. As you can see from the toilet placement, I mean, there's plenty of room there. There's no need to even sit on that, but let's take a look at the shower and see what it looks like when I'm in the shower. Now, first things first, see how high this is? I don't have to duck to get in and out. When I'm taking a shower, there's no water gonna splash over because this is tall enough. I believe this is the first RV I've been in at this show that this shower enclosure encapsulates a tall person. Normally the shower bars are here or maybe here. This one goes all the way up. As you can see, I'm not even touching the roof, so I've got plenty of space. Beautiful upgraded shower head. Geez, you got the regular head, you got a wand, you got some body sprays up front. Sheesh, you can go to town in here. Beautiful shower. Guys, if you like this RV, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you can see when we put out our next video. We want to hear from you guys. We want you to be part of the family. Okay? Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.